Hello everyone, and welcome back to DET Coach's Beginner's Guide to the Duolingo English Test. In this lesson, we'll focus on checking and reviewing your listen and type answers. You have 1 minute to answer each listen and type question. You will usually have some time left after typing the sentence, so do not submit immediately. Use the remaining time to check two things. Is any part of the sentence missing? And is every word in the correct form? We'll use an example from the lesson materials. Listen to it for the first time.
Several minor errors delayed the report until late afternoon.
Now listen a second time.
Several minor errors delayed the report until late afternoon.
Listen one final time.
Several minor errors delayed the report until late afternoon.
Now look at the complete answer. First, check its four parts. Several minor errors is the subject. Delayed is the main verb. The report is the object. Until late afternoon is a time phrase. The subject, verb, object, and additional information are all present, so the core sentence structure is complete. Your first check before submitting should therefore be whether any information is missing from the sentence. Next, check the word forms. Several refers to more than one, so error must take the plural form errors. The original sentence is in the past tense, so the verb must be delayed, not delay. In natural speech, the final sounds in both errors and delayed are very short. If you did not hear them clearly, use the quantifier and verb tense to check the forms again. Understanding the meaning does not guarantee that you have written each word in the correct form. Suppose the answer is written as, several minor errors delay the report until late afternoon. The sentence still contains a subject, verb, object, and time phrase, so its core structure is complete. The problem lies in two word forms. Error is missing the plural ending required after several. Delay also does not match the original past tense form, delayed. This is not a case of missing half the sentence. It is a word form checking error. Before submitting next time, check the quantifier first and then the verb tense. When reviewing your work, divide mistakes into 4 categories. The first category is missing information, because you did not hear it. If your answer is blank or half the sentence is missing, you did not capture all the key information. To address this, do targeted listen and type dictation practice, focusing first on capturing the core sentence structure. The second is mishearing a word. For example, you may mistake a similar sounding word or a weakly pronounced function word for another word. To improve, do sound discrimination practice, focusing on weak forms, linking, and similar sounds. The third is an incorrect word form or spelling. The meaning may be largely correct, but the plural form, tense, or spelling may not match the original exactly. Before submitting, focus on quantifiers, verb tenses, and spellings you often get wrong. The fourth is a failed structure check. You may have heard all the words, but your answer may still contain subject, verb disagreement, or incorrect word order. For this type of error, identify the core sentence structure first. You can also review the lesson on sentence structure and grammatical roles in Read and Complete O2. Finally, do not label every mistake simply as, I didn't hear it clearly. After completing several practice questions, identify your main source of error and choose practice that addresses it directly. If an error costs you points this time, make sure you do not repeat it next time. I'll see you in the next lesson.